Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Liquidity measures how fast you can turn an asset into spending power without losing value. We will find the most liquid option in seconds. First, understand that liquidity is the ease with which an asset can be converted into a medium of exchange. Some assets take much longer to sell or trade than others. Cash is already the medium of exchange, making it the most liquid asset possible. You can spend it immediately without any conversion process or delay. It is the gold standard. Savings deposits, stocks, and time deposits require extra steps to spend. Real estate is the slowest. That makes option D our clear winner today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps for success.